I said, love family, I hope you're having a great day. As for I and I, me Irie, yeah man, everything is blessed. I thank you all for dropping the comments on the channel. I know who is who. I know the ones that may touch base and when hear me, you say, Empress, what's happening? Or you'll come to Instagram and you come to me inbox or you leave a comment on one of my videos on Instagram and say, Empress, oh, me not hear from you. Is everything blessed? Well, family, I tend to post a lot of updates on IG. So that's over on Instagram at rail_Empress_Yuda. So if you go to Instagram or if you have an Instagram account, you would be aware that, everything all right because we're over there, Walla made same way. Yeah? As it relates to YouTube, I have some long clips that I need to narrow down for YouTube. And that is because perspectives have changed. And when I say that, on this trip, we've brought Princess Naya with us. And you know that there are some sentimental and some intimate moments that we're not going to just put on social media. So we have to taper it. We have to narrow it. We have to edit it down. As well as we're in a family setting. So you know how it go. And my mother, she's also changed her perspective. She don't want to be on social media. And you'll hear her say it in this video. And you can hear Naya in the background. Naya will make our sound them whenever she feels we make our sound. And as such, we have to wait on her to say go to sleep or so before we can put out videos. So family, I hope you full joy this one and I hope you're well. Morning, evening, good day. So we reach at mother, we reach at mother, we reach at mother, we reach at mother. Mother dear. Birthday girl mother. How old are you now, birthday girl? Here, birthday girl. People can't wait to see you.
For what?
Girl.
What do you want to see me for?
Birthday girl.
What really do I know?
How old are you today?
10.
What's your family?
Don't look at that.
Mommy, look her hat.
Look how she look
Her
like a
hat.
little teddy bear or something.
Aye.
He's so cute.
Naya.
Yes, we're excited too much. Sorry.
Mommy.
I'm sorry.
But she not cool.
You're not feeling your
She hot.
But she had 3 months old. She had a little baby.
But in your hot, mom.
Push that thing there to inside the phone. Be tired.
You're not hot? I'm hot.
Because this is not my
Who was that? What? Naya. Naya.
Naya, you're playing with daddy. Naya. Oh dear. And her car is running away.
Mom, you want you look at Eric. You don't put that near in her ears. Now pierce it.
You pierce it.
Me know. Morning.
Why don't you pierce her ears? Miss. Grandmother, what you have like a tail behind you? What is that tail? You're going like your camera shy. Come here. Grandma. Mom.
I just don't want to be on any camera.
Why?
Get off the camera off
The
I don't want to go on social media.
the YouTube longing to see you, girl.
See who longing to see you there.
Girl, come here.
That's who longing to see you. See there, look.
Nice girl.
Look at Princess Naya.
Nice mother. Mother, the YouTube longing to see you. They've been asking for you.
Tell YouTube to go to.
Lovely been asking for you. And Matthew saw you the other day.
Already.
I know. Come here.
Say bye to YouTube.
Come here, girl.
Bye.
Just to establish love. Woman, the matriarchal, covenant, the love. Who you think so ordinary and just